Looking for the best HVAC service company in Boise, Idaho? Don't wait for an HVAC problem to ruin your day. If you own a home, it's just a matter of time before you'll need a reliable HVAC contractor to handle the repair, maintenance, and replacement of your heating and cooling equipment. Stay a step ahead of any issues by choosing a Boise HVAC service contractor before you need one. Start with scheduling a yearly maintenance tune-up for your home HVAC system. This will help your equipment run at peak performance and extend the life of your equipment. Many people wonder if they should repair or replace their furnace heat pump or AC. It depends on the age of your equipment and the cost to fix it. If you find yourself with no heat or no AC, we'll give you options to repair or replace your equipment. And when it's time to replace your furnace heat pump or air conditioner, turn to the experts at SHANCO Heating and Air. We always give you options to fit your comfort needs and budget. Ask about the Comfort Club, a low-cost membership program that gives you peace of mind with savings on repairs and new purchases. Choosing a reliable HVAC service company in Boise before you need one is the smartest thing a homeowner can do. Call SHANCO Heating and Air today, 208-906-6928.